Hello everyone, welcome to this webcast. My name is Ali Reza Zaidi. I'm Microsoft MVP and Microsoft Certified Trainer. In this video I will create a very simple Power App application from Excel. Let's begin. This is a very simple Excel file from which I create my first Power App application. It has 3 columns: date, on which expense is recording, title, amount, category, and comments. So for creating Power Apps we required one thing, that is Excel content table. So we select all required columns and rows on which data is contained in Excel and create on a table. It asked and we confirm, and we set its name is personal finance table, right, and save this Excel file. Now we have to upload this Excel file to OneDrive folder, and from required Excel file I copied back to specific folder and let it upload it. Yes, it's uploaded to my OneDrive. Here